good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we're in the gallery today, but we're about to be outside as well. We got a special episode for you guys. It's a little bit of an unboxing and then just gonna bring you guys up to speed on what we got going on. As you guys remember, a couple episodes back, you guys seen the extravagant, crazy birthday party that we had and I was blessed with. Obviously, I turned 40, as you guys know. Thank you all for the birthday wishes. My wife really turned it up one time and designed the whole thing, and it was crazy. Thank you, baby, I love you. Well, from the birthday, I'm literally still unboxing and opening up gifts. We just unboxed this beautiful piece that I'm very thankful for. My brothers from Splatterhouse, Arthur and Jivo, I love you guys, man. Big shout out to you both and the whole Splatterhouse family. This thing is crazy. It's a coffee table. We just unboxed it. It would have been very difficult to unbox it for you guys on camera because of it being so large. I didn't know what it was. It was sitting here and it's been sitting here for a couple weeks now, and we just got to really unboxing it today. So I want to show you guys what this beautiful piece is all about. Crazy craftsmanship. Arthur is a mastermind. He's a genius, extremely talented, and he doesn't stop in one direction. This guy is talented all the way around, and he paints. He can cut hair, he can cook, he does art pieces. He travels the world and does amazing work that you guys got to definitely check out. So whoever don't know about them, Splatterhouse, be sure to check that out and you guys will be blown away. But this piece right here is honestly, right now it's probably one of my favorite pieces in the gallery, and it fit in here so well. I remember talking to him. We kind of like bounce ideas off of each other, and we were talking about palettes, and we kept sending each other like references some time ago, and he kind of just blew me away with it. He turned the palette into a coffee table, but he built the palette from scratch, basically. So it's not the typical palette that you would see out, but it's an extremely smooth finish. He used special wood. He has the Splatterhouse logo that's implemented into the piece. It's mirror going all the way around. The bottom piece of the actual coffee table is a smoke glass on the bottom as well. Literally, like you can use the ups, you can flip it and use the other side, and it's a beautiful piece as is, but this is the way that it's supposed to look. But with that said, I'm gonna get into a couple of the other pieces that I've been kind of sitting on. So this piece here is been with me from Christmas, and this was sent to me by Kim Kardashian. She sent one from my brother as well, but since I was sitting on it and I was gonna unbox these anyway, I was like, let me unbox it with you guys. It's always cool to see like what came in and whatnot, but I just wanted to share with you guys. So with that being said, let's see what Kim hooked me and JK up for Christmas with. So the box says KKW and it has a Beats logo. Kim, sorry, I know this was sent for Christmas, but I'm just opening it up now. Super cool. And then I have another piece here that's sitting right here. I don't know what it is, but wifey had blessed me with it for Christmas, but I haven't opened it. So this was a collab with Joshua Vides, our homie, and Modernica. Now that I see this, it makes sense. So this little carpet piece is a part of the chair. Basically, once the chair is assembled, that piece looks like it's a continuation of the chair. So super dope piece. It's made out of it's like a cloth type of fabric. It has the famous Joshua Vides signature artwork, clean, white on the background, and then here it has Joshua Vides' signature, the date, and it's a collab with Modernica, so super dope piece. And then this one right here, I've peeked at, but I wanted to show you guys as well. This thing right here is a banger. very, very hard to get. It has the LV print going through the back and in the front. You know, the LV trucks, I mean, super, super dope piece. This is gonna go in my personal office. This chair will build together and it'll go in here too. So, you know, the vibes are always right at the gallery. With that said, this was the unboxing for today's episode, but I wanna show you guys a crazy project car that just came in here. I'm gonna show you guys what car we're working on and then we'll go from there. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of this episode. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, we have a new project that we just took delivery of. It's a Porsche. I'm not gonna tell you guys what Porsche, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's for sure gonna blow you guys away. So let me show you guys so you guys know what the vibes are, you know what I mean? It's this monster right here. It's the Porsche GT2 RS. Heavily exposed carbon fiber on the exterior. It's a monster as is, as you guys can see. Stock factory. The car's a monster. It has red guts. It's already crazy, but like I said, we got some plans for it, which you guys will see in an episode or two coming up very soon. With that said, if you guys remember back, seeing the birthday footage, you guys seen my brother JK surprise me with something crazy. So I'm gonna take you guys for a spin and show you guys what he got me for my birthday gift. You guys can see JK is a beast, boy. My brother surprised me with the 2022 Rolls-Royce Ghost, the new big body joint. You know, I haven't really ever had to think about buying cars for myself because JK's always had that covered. 5 years ago, for my 35th birthday, he ended up grabbing me the brand new Rolls-Royce Dawn at that time. The car had just came out. It was black as well, with a black interior and some touches of red accents inside. Convertible joint. You know, that thing made a lot of noise in the industry because at that time we had ran a wheel called a Getro F700, which was a multi-piece spoke wheel with a lot of details. But yeah, that was, you know, 5 years ago. He had surprised me with the latest and greatest. And then 5 years later, he's obviously surprising me with, you know, the brand new Rolls-Royce Ghost. You know, I've never really had to like worry about what car I'm gonna drive next, what I'm gonna do. It's not that I expect it, but given the person he is and the heart that he carries, you know, he's selfless. And he loves for the people that he loves that surround him to be always with the latest and greatest. And I say that humbly, you know what I mean? It really don't matter what make, what model the car is, and it's not about that, but it's his heart and it's him trying to make sure that his brother's always good, always looking right, which, you know, I genuinely appreciate, and I love you, my brother. Thank you for the surprise. I was surprised. I'm gonna tell you guys a funny story. So a month prior to my 40th birthday, he ended up picking up a Maybach sedan, you know, brand new Maybach sedan. He had found the crazy spec one, black on black, rear entertainment, the tables. I mean, super loaded vehicle. He ends up purchasing it and he brings it from out of state. The car has delivery miles, like 30 miles on it or whatnot. And he parks it at an indoor storage that we own. And he was sitting on the car like a month prior to my birthday. So he talks to my pops and he tells him, he goes, "Pops," and he tells our brother Sam, like, "Yo, I picked this up for George. You know, what do you guys think for his birthday?" And my pops says, "You know, it's a long S-Class." And Jack goes, "Man, when he told me that," he goes, "he really fucked me up." Like, he goes, "I couldn't sleep at night. I was like, man, I just pulled the trigger on this thing and it's crazy and it's like the one that I would want you to drive." And then he goes, when he told me that, he goes, "It completely like changed my mind." So he sat on that car. And as you guys know, the automotive industry right now is crazy. There isn't cars available. Like, you can go to any dealership and you want to buy a new car. I mean, you're lucky if they have one. So the Rolls-Royce Ghost is a hot commodity and you don't have options for colors. You don't have options for a lot of things. So luckily, you know, a couple weeks after he had picked up the Maybach, our girl Jen called him from O'Gara Coach and said, "Yo, I got a crazy spec one coming to the port." And she had gave him all the details. 2022 Rolls-Royce Ghost, Starlight headliner, white guts with some black trim, the rear exhaust tips, you know, all the things that you look for on the new Ghost, basically the rear tables. So he said he'll take it. The car literally has, you know, right now it has 56 or 58 miles, so I haven't really been driving it. It sat at the house for a little bit, so this is the first few days that I've really taken it out, but I love it. Obviously, you know, we're gonna do some shit to it. You know, it's coming soon. We haven't decided what yet, but, you know, I just tinted it recently, 50% all the way around, just to give it a little smoke. But, you know, we haven't really decided. We've been chopping some things up with JK, so we got some shit coming very soon. But, you know, I wanted to take you guys for a spin. I wanted to thank my brother. I love you to death, bro. If you guys saw the birthday, obviously you guys know that shit was super lit and turned. Edo, you can account for that shit too. You know, my boy Edo behind the camera, you know, he was there getting turned along with me. The shit was epic though, I can't even lie. Wifey really got down and turned the shit upside down. And then my brother surprised me with this. All my friends and family that were there, I love you guys, I appreciate it. All the fans and all the loyal, you know, subscribers and you know, the people in the industry, I appreciate you guys as well. So you guys will see this bad boy very, very soon on some wheels, possibly on a kit. But naturally, we ain't gonna be leaving the stock for too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. And we got a lot more in store for you guys soon.